Alright friends, I'm going to show you how to do a reel in edits. Instagram edits just released yesterday. You saw the reel at the beginning, and here's how we do it. It's pretty simple. It's less robust as CapCut, but much better than just like the regular Reels editor within Instagram. So, alright, so once you load your media, I was going to make this a 3-second reel. So, yeah, I have to adjust that, and then I'm going to go through each one and make it 0.3 seconds each clip, so that will equal 3 seconds total, 2 to 3 seconds total. You can see where I kind of like bumble around here because I'm new to this too, so I had to kind of mess around with it first. I probably should have watched a how-to video myself. Instead I made one. I made a how-to video instead of watching a how-to video. This is a reel of my desk area. This is where I work every day, and so really the whole point was that start messy. Doesn't matter if your desk is messy, don't start perfect, just start. And yeah, that's my dog. So I'm resizing these timelines to be 0.3 a piece. It's super user friendly, honestly. If you just go in there and open it and play around like I did, yeah, my office is messy. You'll learn how to do it. It's super quick. And so that's all good. And then I do the messy song that you heard at the beginning of this. Here she is. And then I put the text overlay. And then in here, I'll show you all the different text options. There are a lot more text options now in this than there were in the regular Reels editor, which is nice. This is similar to CapCut, because in the Reels in Instagram, that editor, you just kind of type it within the, like, over the video versus an actual box of text coming up. So change the colors to my little pink signature color, hot pink signature color, which it's really funny. I never wear hot pink, so I don't know. I love that color there. It just doesn't look good. And then that's it. And then test it out. Yeah, here's where I show you the different options you have here. They have a ton of different fonts, a lot more different font treatments. They have a lot of different animations now that you can use, which is really nice. Text treatments, and that's the same, the background tool, or highlight tool, I guess is what you call it, sorry. Oh, this is how you do a text overlay. That's a new thing. You can do a cutout or a text overlay. So say you had a product that you want to put on there. Makes it a lot easier. It's a lot more seamless. I just did that as an example. Used a picture of my dog. Typically I would do a picture of a product. And then, oh, yeah, you can't add at the end of the timeline. Duh. You can also do narration over this. I just didn't do it for this one. I'm using Camtasia, so you can put stickers on there like you can in Reels. And then this is the cool new thing I like. You can do a cutout, and basically you can put it over the text. So say I wanted to put like myself talking over a video in the background. It makes it super easy. This is just a funny meme that I shared with a friend and just grabbed it for. And so yeah, see what it does? It'll take all the background out, and then you can basically, it'll be like a talking head over the video, which is super cool, I think. Makes it a lot easier. So yeah, I think that edit is gonna really look at all the different transitions, different animations you can do, which is cool. That's a sound effect. And then you just click export, share to Facebook or Instagram, and then, yeah, go from there. That's it, guys.